Happy Halloween, everybody. YouTube demonetized me. Demonetized me. You know, all I did was not make a video for a year. You know, it's one of those terrible things a person goes through that they totally deserve. But yeah, we will
build back better.
And it's not like I care. It's just funny. Sure, are they still running ads? Was there an ad in front of this video? They're running ads, they're just not giving me any money for it anymore. But anyways, today I wanted to talk about cleaning your telescope. Your telescope is dirty. You left it outside, spiders pooped all over it, droplets of dew got on it, evaporated and left all their acid rain residue all over your lenses. Now, a lot of people will say that that doesn't affect your performance, but you know, I'm not sure spider poop and acid rain is good for the coatings on your optics. So you will. Now, I'm not talking about mirrors, okay? If you have an aluminumized mirror, you don't want to be cleaning that all the time because you're going to damage it, you know, because those coatings are pretty fragile. But you know, just regular glass optics like lenses and corrector plates, just with the regular anti-reflective coating, those are a little tougher. You can clean those, and you don't want to mess that coating up with chemicals and things like that. So this is how I clean my optics. This is the way I learned to do it. It's always worked really well for me. You need pure alcohol, rubbing alcohol, distilled water, and a little dish soap, and microfiber cloths, and the way in a clean spray bottle. And the way we do this is we go 1 part alcohol, 1 part water, and 1 single solitary drop of dishwashing liquid. So we'll put in our alcohol and see how it goes. And be careful when you've got, you know, pure rubbing alcohol. This can hurt you if it gets in the wrong place. So that's 450 milliliters, and then, so we will, well geez, okay, so we'll basically have to fill it all the way up with this water. And you want distilled water, you don't want hard water right out of the ground because it's going to leave mineral spots all over your glass. So 1 part alcohol, 1 part steam distilled water, and 1 drop of dish soap. Now this is your lens cleaning solution. This is mine. Maybe you know a better way. This is how I do it. Just kind of work it around, make sure the soap is completely dissolved. And now you don't want to drench your optics with this. If it's just light, if it's really light, like a little bit of gunk or some water spots, you just spray a little bit on your cloth, and you don't push down and rub. You just kind of want to swipe it. You know, the first thing you do is blow and brush off any large chunks that might be loose, and then you use this solution to get off residue. And but yeah, we'll go out. Let's clean the telescope off. Okay, we're out in the observatory, and the corrector plate is looking pretty cruddy up here. So we will take our puffer. Look at all that garbage. Mostly the spiders. The spiders are the biggest problem around here. So we'll blow off the dust. Then we'll take a brush and get rid of the loose webs and other loose stuff. Now you do not want to push down on this any more than you have to. Now we will take the microfiber Now this is really pretty bad. So we're just going to put some solution on here. And we're just going to kind of push it around at first and kind of dissolve all the spider poop before we try to rub anything. Ugh. Let's hit it again. There's quite a bit on here. And you don't want to put so much on here that it's like dripping down inside of the telescope. Wow, that is a lot of poop. Now last year I put some mint oil around the place and it kept the spiders away. This year I was so busy that I just never bothered doing it. Now I'm not pushing down on it, I'm just dragging the microfiber around. And we will use this to dissolve everything. Holy cow, that poop does not want to come off. That looks beautiful. And I don't remember where I got the solution from. You know, the 1 part water, 1 part alcohol, 1 drop of dishwashing liquid. I don't remember where I learned that, but it seems to work really, really well. And there is some loose stuff on here. And we will just, wow, there are a lot of webs inside the telescope. Jiminy Christmas. Those little buggers. If you can clean it off, And that solution always evaporates and dries up really nicely for me. I never have, you know, any kind of, sometimes some cleaning solutions will leave like a purple film on the, I think I just screwed up my collimation. They'll leave like a purple film on the glass, but this solution evaporates completely. I don't see any kind of residue on there, and that looks really nice. And we will live stream Jupiter tonight, so I hope you can join us for that. And that's about all for now. Clear skies, everybody.